try except in Python. Try is basically checking the code underneath it. In this case, it's print X. The problem with it is that X is not a variable or anything else you can print. And then it sends the error to accept name error and checks if the error you put in there is what the tribe sent you. And if that's true, then it'll print X is not defined. Except is if the thing is a whole nother problem. If that's true, then it'll print that there's something else wrong. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.